Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So over the last couple of months, I've been letting you know that Microsoft is updating the secure boot certificates that were originally issued back in 2011, which Microsoft says to ensure Windows devices continue to verify trusted boot software. Now, I'll leave a video on what you need to know about the secure boot expiration down below in the end screen if you'd like more info. But a quick recap is these older certificates, according to Microsoft, begin expiring in June of this year, 2026, with Microsoft saying that devices that haven't received the newer 2023 certificates will continue to start and operate normally, and standard Windows updates will continue to install. However, these devices will no longer be able to receive new security protections. Check the video out for more info. Now, I've already received my Secure Boot certificate. I have posted a whole video on that previously. So if we head into Windows Update, if you've received it already through Windows Update, which most will get it through the update process, and we head to Update History, and we scroll to Other Updates. Here is the Secure Boot Allowed Key Exchange Key KEK update. So that's the certificate update you will get when it rolls out to your machine. Now, in regards to rolling out through Windows Update, just to give you a quick heads up, when you are installing the latest update, which I posted on earlier today, if we head to Quality Updates, which is KB5083631, I'll leave the video for that update, the latest C-release update. I'll leave it linked because there's quite a lot going on. When installing this latest update for Windows 11, 25, and 24H2, you may notice that your device will restart twice, and there's a good reason for this, and Microsoft has explained why. So if we quickly head into Microsoft recent announcements over on Microsoft Learn for the update, if we scroll down to this section, Microsoft in this section says, take note, with recent and upcoming Windows updates over the next few months, a limited number of consumer and business devices might experience one additional restart during installation. This one-time restart occurs after a Secure Boot certificate update is applied as part of the Secure Boot update process, which I've just explained. So if you get two restarts after installing this update or upcoming updates, that means one would be for the update itself, and the next update, the second restart, would be for the Secure Boot Allowed Key Exchange update, the Secure Boot certificate update. So I'm just giving you a quick heads up because it might cause a little bit of confusion. If you do notice, there's two restarts for one update. And if you want to kind of double check that you have the new Secure Boot certificate, as I've posted previously, you can also head into the Windows Security app. You can navigate over to Device Security, and here you'll see Secure Boot, and it'll say Secure Boot is on and all required certificate updates have been applied. No further certificate changes are needed. So if you see that description, it means all is A and OK on your device. So just wanted to get us all on the same page in case two restarts for one update does cause confusion. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.